Now, SoFi Technologies finished the week trading up over 13%, which then resulted in the shares of SoFi to finish the week on Friday trading at $7.46. This is something that is incredible because, ladies and gents, SoFi Technologies is one of the stocks that I invest in, and before, I think 2 weeks ago, even before the earnings, I did say that I would really like to see SoFi Technologies passing my average, which is $7.05, and see a green on my SoFi Technology holdings, as it's been long ever since I had seen my SoFi holdings turn green, which guys, some of you even said that we were not going to see SoFi reach $7.05 after the earnings, which, ladies and gents, I was very excited getting to see SoFi even going over $8 per stock this week. This is something that really excited me because, like I said, SoFi has been red for quite some time on my portfolio, and I was excited to finally see my SoFi holdings turning into green. Now we all know that SoFi before the earnings was trading just below $6 per stock, which obviously after the earnings we saw them going up 6%, almost to $7 per stock. And this week, ladies and gents, SoFi stock got revived together with the other stocks after the Fed increased interest rates by 25 basis points or 0.25%. This is one thing that led into most stocks surging in terms of the share price, because it looks like the Federal Reserve might not be aggressive like what we saw them doing in 2022. They might be a bit less aggressive when they increase interest rates. So chances are very high, even in the next meeting, we might see a 25 basis point, and towards the end of the year, we might actually starting to see the Federal Reserve starting to decrease interest rates. So obviously, the markets already like that, to say that maybe soon the interest rate hikes might be coming to an end. Now, this is something that is incredible, as even Kathy of ARK Investments indicated that she would not be surprised to see the Federal Reserve decreasing interest rates towards the end of this year, which is something that must just show you how bullish this is, or this kind of news this was to the market, as most of the stocks that like SoFi Technologies recovered in terms of the share price. But before we dig deep, or before we forget the house rules, you already know that this video is just an entertainment video and not a professional financial advice video. And I would really appreciate if you can just hit the likes button if you are enjoying the content that I'm giving you about SoFi Technology stock. So I'm really excited, like I say, about SoFi, because SoFi year to date, ladies and gents, it is up over 65%. So this just definitely means that if you had bought SoFi Technologies around the 2nd of January right now, you will definitely be sitting at 65%, which is something that is incredible. And those with, of course, that have been into SoFi Technologies, it also means that had you loaded the boat to trying to bring your average down, you would have seen the green maybe this week, as SoFi Technologies, like I said, it went even over $8 per stock. So I was really excited this week when I saw my SoFi Technologies turning into green. And it was not only SoFi, even Google, Alphabet, my Google holdings turned into green, which obviously I did a video, of course, discussing that. So this over 65% year to date on SoFi makes me to be very optimistic and really look forward to what SoFi can achieve for the rest of the year, because you will remember that on SoFi's earnings, one thing that the CEO highlighted was that obviously they are planning to do more partnerships in 2023, and partnerships bring in more money. And this, ladies and gents, is one of the things that I'm really looking forward to, because with partnerships comes more money into SoFi Technologies. You will remember that on SoFi's earnings, SoFi has already indicated that in Q4 of 2023 they are looking to become, or to report, a profitable earnings for the very first time, which will be something that is incredible and something that definitely a lot of the SoFi investors are patiently looking forward to see. Now, you will know that obviously the guidance for the year on SoFi Technologies is around $1.925 to $2 billion. So for the rest of the year, or for 2023, SoFi targets to report total revenues of between 1.925 billion, which is something that obviously must just show you that this is a 25 to 30% increase from the total revenue we saw them reporting in 2022 of over $1.5 billion. So I'm really excited with the gains that I'm seeing on SoFi as this week ends, or as Friday when the market closed on SoFi, I was still up over 5.8%, which is something that is incredible, and something that obviously, even though maybe the shares of SoFi might head back down towards the 52-week low, which obviously you already know I'm going to continue loading the boat. I'm not that worried, because I know that this is a stock which is set for greatness. This is a stock which its fundamentals, its future prospects continue to grow. We are seeing SoFi Technologies growing in terms of revenue. We are seeing SoFi Technologies going closer and closer, or coming closer and closer to profitability, which is something that it is very important, and something that makes me to be really motivated to remain bullish, long and strong onto SoFi Technologies. SoFi Technologies remains that stock that even the insiders, the CEO and the other insiders, continue buying, because they see the potential that lies within this stock. So if you are those kind of investors or retail investors that are maybe selling your SoFi holdings, I don't know, but I think you are definitely going to regret, because this is a stock which is just set to do very well. I mean, share price wise, you saw what this stock can do in just couple of days. I mean, from just below $6 or $5.90 to over $8 in just 10 days, or within 10 days. It's something that must just show you that don't try to time this stock, or don't try to say that I'm going to buy this stock when it gets to this level or whatnot, because anything can happen. The markets can just turn to be bullish, and you might find yourself, or we might find ourselves so far, but without a blink of an eye, at $10 per stock. And if you had sold your SoFi stocks, you are definitely going to regret missing that kind of an opportunity. So what you need to do is to continue dollar cost averaging if you are still below in terms of your average onto SoFi. Otherwise, me, for now, I'm still waiting and to see what is happening. But definitely, most definitely, when SoFi gets below my average of $7.05, I'm definitely going to go in, load the boat, make sure that I prepare for the next rally, because ladies and gents, and so many analysts and so many investors believe that towards the end of the year, the markets will recover. The markets are expected to seriously recover, especially when that time when we get either the Federal Reserve not increasing interest rates at all, or even to starting to decrease interest rates. That will be very bullish to the markets, and you better be in those top quality stocks like SoFi Technologies, because ladies and gents, that will definitely revive them in terms of the share price. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I'd just give you this quick updates about what is it that what we just saw onto SoFi Technology stock this week, and how far has SoFi Technologies risen by year to date, which is over 65%. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell, so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.